Imagine a world where your computer isn't just a tool, but a partner that understands you, anticipates your needs, and interacts with you in a way that feels almost human. That's the promise of the revolutionary new Claude AI. This isn't just another chatbot or voice assistant. It's a sophisticated AI that can seamlessly integrate with your PC, transforming how you work, create, and even relax. Claude AI is built on advanced natural language processing, which means it can understand context, tone, and even nuances in conversation. When you ask it to help with a project, it doesn't just spit out generic responses. Instead, it engages in a dialogue, asking clarifying questions, suggesting ideas, and even offering feedback on your work. This level of interaction can make brainstorming sessions feel like a collaboration with a colleague rather than a one-sided query. Let's talk about productivity. Imagine you're deep into a writing project and you hit a wall. Instead of staring blankly at the screen, you can turn to Claude. You might say, "I need help with my introduction." And Claude doesn't just give you a template. It analyzes your content, understands your style, and crafts a personalized suggestion that aligns with your voice. It's like having a writing coach right at your fingertips. But Claude doesn't stop there. It can manage your calendar, set reminders, and even help you prioritize tasks based on your workload and deadlines. You can say, "What's on my schedule today?" And Claude will not only list your appointments, but also suggest optimal times for breaks or focus sessions based on your productivity patterns. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. And for those of us who love to create, Claude AI is a game changer. Whether you're into graphic design, video editing, or coding, Claude can assist in real time. You can ask it to generate design ideas, troubleshoot code, or even suggest edits to your video project. It learns from your preferences, adapting its suggestions to fit your style and workflow. This means less time fumbling through tutorials and more time actually creating. Now, let's not forget about the fun side of Claude. It can engage in casual conversation, tell jokes, or even play games with you during your downtime. This makes your PC feel less like a machine and more like a companion. Imagine wrapping up a long day of work and unwinding with a quick trivia game or a lighthearted chat about your favorite movies. It's a refreshing way to break the monotony of daily tasks. Security is also a top priority with Claude AI. It's designed to respect your privacy and keep your data secure. You can interact with it confidently, knowing that your personal information is protected. Claude uses advanced encryption and follows strict protocols to ensure that your interactions remain confidential. In a world where technology often feels impersonal, Claude AI is a breath of fresh air. It's not just about efficiency. It's about enhancing your experience with technology. By making your PC more interactive and responsive, Claude allows you to focus on what truly matters: your creativity, productivity, and well-being. The future of personal computing is here, and it's more engaging than ever.